Today we will be discussing one important grammar topic, that is the voice. And in English language, there are two types of voices. One is active voice, second is passive voice. In active voice, subject is the doer, so subject is given importance, and in passive voice, the action is done upon the subject. So it is divided in two types of voices, active and passive. In active voice, subjects are doer, and in passive voice, subjects are the receiver. Here are some examples. He reads a story, that is in active voice. He is subject, reads is verb, and story is object. So the passive will be a story is read by him. So here story is subject, read is verb, and him is object. In second sentence, they are playing football, that is in active voice. Football is being played by them. Football is subject, played is verb, and them is object. Key points are there that active voice is used when the subject is important and passive voice is used when subject is less important. Second point, if subject is not important, then it is omitted in passive voice. Example is my wallet has been stolen. This is the passive voice. Third point, sentences having intransitive verbs will not be changed into the passive form. Example is the birds fly in the air. Fourth point, subject sentences of present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, future continuous, and future perfect continuous tense cannot be changed into passive forms. So this you have to keep in your mind that these four tenses cannot be changed into passive. So for your practice, some examples are given here. Active and passive. There are two tables. We respect our patriots. Passive will be our patriots must be respected by us. Second is he does not teach you. You are not taught by him. Third is you eat cake. Passive will be cake is eaten by you. Children like chocolates. Chocolates are liked by children. He is wasting his time. His time is being wasted by him. Ravi has invited me. I have been invited by Ravi. She sang a song. A song was sung by her. They were expecting good news. Good news was being expected by them. I had not seen the Taj before. The Taj had not been seen by me before. Shyam will help us. We will be helped by Shyam. Please open the door. So this is the request. So it will be changed into you are requested to open the door, work hard. This is the advice. You are advised to work hard. I know you. This is a very different type of sentence. So here you will use me. You are known to me. Next is he is reciting a poem. A poem is being recited by him. She made a mistake. A mistake was made by her. Next is did you drop the toy? Was the toy dropped by you? He can help you. You can be helped by him. Next is you will have to do it. It will have to be done by you. And I shall look into the matter. The matter will be looked into. The flower smells sweet. In this passive will be the flower is sweet when smelled. So this is a exception type of sentence. So viewers, you have to remember that in general you have to use by and the third form, and others you can learn by practicing more and more. Thank you for viewing English Solutions channel. Please like, share and subscribe.